Club beats are going crazy right now, and that last video proved it. So today, we're building on that sound and taking it a step further. Last time I broke down the formula, bouncy drums, catchy bell melodies, and that club bass. This time, I'm experimenting with different bassline progressions and flipping the standard club melody into something unique. It's still club, it's still got that bounce, but with a whole new flavor. Let's get into the cookup. First things first, we're gonna set our BPM. Let's do something around like 210. Let's do 208. And I'm gonna go into my Max Plus kit, which should be out next week. If you guys want to get it, go to our kit store, get a free kit. You guys will get notified when the full kit's out. Anyway, let's build our bass line. We'll grab this trusty bass here. And let's change our scale. Let's do D sharp minor. What do I want to do? 1, 1, 6, 4. So for our bass line, I'm going to try, let's do 1, 1, 6, 4. So this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4, this is the 5, this is the 6, this is the 4. If you want to select the individual note, just hold Command and then Shift D, and then we got a short like that. Let's pitch this note down. Let's take these notes here and pitch them down. Hold Command down arrow or Control down arrow. Do a hi-hat. And we're just gonna copy this over. Hit Control and then click and drag right there, and then Control B to paste it over. Start working on a little melody. I'm gonna go into zenology, and I don't know if we should start with a bell or some sort of like pad. If you guys want to use your laptop keyboard as your MIDI keyboard, just make sure you have this button enabled right here, this like little piano roll thing. Just make sure it's highlighted. And then if you right click on it with your mouse, you can set what scale. So basically any note you press on your keyboard will be in scale. So I'm in D sharp minor. Now any note I hit on my keyboard is in scale. It's great for just getting a quick idea down. I love it. Kind of spizz in here. Try these random notes in here. I don't know what the hell, but it sounds good. Add the sound to the mixer and add a little roast beat gate kind of thing to it. Let's put the wet down. So it adds a little movement to it. I'm gonna go to my Max Plus kit, which is gonna be out next week, and grab a different bass or like 808. Instead of drag and dropping a switch your sound like this, just make sure that your sound is selected right here, and then go to your sound and just mouse wheel click it. Look at that, boom, just like that. add another melody. Let's get a little bell going. Whoa, I didn't even know you could do that. If you guys want a Zenology Max, hit command, and then you guys can browse only the sounds you selected. It's my favorite one for these kinds of beats. AX or Gabelle. I don't like that bell. That bell kind of throws it off. Interesting. I'm gonna change the pitch, so let's pitch those up. And let's transpose everything down. I don't know, let's transpose it down 4. That's much better. I'm gonna try transposing it again though. So you're down 3. Maybe a lead? I don't know. Want to add a pad just to fill in a little bit of the space because it's a little too empty right here. I love that lead. And for our pad, let's just copy our bassline here and then just paste it in here, and then let's just take these notes out. Just hit Control L. You know what? Screw it. We're gonna leave it empty. Whoever's rapping on it, they can take that space. You know what I'm saying? So this is the final beat right here. Anyway, that's the final beat right there. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you guys like the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want my new kit, Max Plus, should be out next week. If you guys want to get notified when it's out, just go to our kit store, underdogs.ooo. Get yourself a free kit, get yourself the 20K kit, the 5K kit, just a bunch of fire sounds that are absolutely free. And you guys will get notified when the full kit is out. Links in the description. Love you boys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.